Hey everyone, David here from What Drives You, and today we're talking about an accessory for your Model Y or any car for that matter, an air pump. The link for this is in the description down below. We're going to check it out today and see how it works for the Model Y and for bikes. As mentioned previously on my Road Trip Essentials video, it's great to have an air pump handy, especially if you have a tire repair kit. So if you get a nail in your tire and you repair your tire, you'll want to have an air pump to air it back up, obviously. And we talked about in that video a battery powered one by Ryobi, which I really like to have, but of course, sometimes you won't have a battery charged up, or if you didn't remember to charge it up, you won't have that. So it's great to have an alternative that is corded. So we have this new one here today, the JETHAX XH001. So this one actually has a cord for the 12-volt socket, so you can use it in just about any car to air up the tires. And in this case today, we're going to be trying it out on bike tires because we're going to go in for a bike ride. So a great accessory to have, especially if this one works out good. Comes with a couple attachments. Fill up other things. Basketball. Unlike the Ryobi one, it has a cord. So all you need for this one is a 12-volt outlet, which in this case we do have. Because the Model Y actually does have a 12-volt socket in the back here. But now's a good time to find out if it works. So we set it to PSI in this case, and looks like you can set it in half PSI increments. So if we want the bike tire to be 40 PSI, we can set it there and see if we can air it up to 40 PSI. It should stop at 40 PSI. All right, tells us our current PSI. Let's see if it stops at 40. Yep, stopped right at 40. I think I might actually let's go to 50. So that time, I said to stop at 50 and it actually stopped at 54. Seems a lot different. All right, here's another one we want set to 50. It's currently at 30.5 or 31. Let's see if it stops at 50. Okay, that time stopped right at 50, so that was good. One last try here. Let's see if it stops at 50 again. Starting at 28. Okay, So that time it stopped at 51. Pretty close. So it has a little area where you can put the cord back in. So that's kind of nice. And for the cord, it just folds back up. Comes with a little Velcro thing there. And there you go. Pretty nice, easy package to use. Any car that has a 12-volt socket has a pretty long cord here. The JETHAX XH001 goes up to 150 psi. Should be good for anything you need, especially on a car. So very handy to have around, especially if you don't have the battery powered one or don't have a way to juice up the battery powered one by Ryobi. So there you have it, another great accessory for any car. In this case, it's great for the Model Y with that 12-volt socket right there in the back. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.